How many galaxies are there in the universe? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how vast the universe really is? Among the stars twinkling above us, there are mysteries far beyond our imagination. Today, we're diving into one of the universe's greatest questions. How many galaxies are out there? What is a galaxy? Let's start with what a galaxy actually is. A galaxy is like a massive city of stars. It's home to billions, sometimes even trillions of stars, along with gas, dust, and dark matter, all bound together by gravity. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of many. But how many exactly? A journey back in time. Before we answer that, let's take a step back in time. In the early 20th century, astronomers believed the Milky Way was the entire universe. Then came Edwin Hubble. In 1924, Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. He proved that the Andromeda Nebula wasn't a cloud of gas in our galaxy, but a galaxy of its own. This revelation opened our eyes to a universe teeming with galaxies. But even Hubble couldn't have imagined the numbers we're about to explore. Estimating the numbers. To estimate the number of galaxies, we rely on powerful telescopes. The Hubble Space Telescope has been instrumental in this quest. In 1995, astronomers pointed it at what seemed like an empty patch of sky. For 10 days, the telescope captured faint light from that tiny region. What they found was astonishing. That patch, no bigger than a grain of sand held at arm's length, was filled with thousands of galaxies. This became known as the Hubble Deep Field. Using data from such observations, scientists estimated there are around 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. But the story doesn't end there. In 2016, a new study challenged this number. Using updated technology and computer simulations, astronomers suggested the universe might contain up to 2 trillion galaxies. Yes, you heard that right, 2 trillion. Most of these galaxies are so faint and far away that we may never see them. The observable universe. But what does observable universe mean? The observable universe is the part of the universe we can see, limited by the speed of light. Light from distant galaxies takes billions of years to reach us. The farthest we can see is about 13.8 billion light years, the age of the universe itself. Beyond that, there's likely more, but we'll never be able to observe it. It's like standing on a mountaintop and seeing only as far as the horizon. What lies beyond remains a mystery. Types of galaxies. Not all galaxies are the same. Some are majestic spirals, like our Milky Way. Others are elliptical, looking like glowing footballs. Then there are irregular galaxies, chaotic in shape, often formed by cosmic collisions. Each galaxy is a unique world of its own. Inside them, stars are born, live out their lives, and die in spectacular explosions. They are cradles of planets, some of which may even harbor life. Now imagine billions, or trillions, of these galactic cities scattered across the cosmos. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? How we study the universe. But how do we study such an enormous universe? Astronomers use telescopes not just on Earth but also in space. Space telescopes like Hubble, James Webb, and others give us clearer views by avoiding the distortion of Earth's atmosphere. They collect light from galaxies, millions or even billions of light years away. This light carries stories from the past, showing us how galaxies looked when the universe was younger. Through this, we learn about the evolution of galaxies over time. But let's not forget something crucial. We're only scratching the surface. Even the most advanced telescopes can't detect every galaxy. Some are simply too far, their light swallowed by the vastness of space. Others are hidden by cosmic dust or cloaked in dark matter. So, the actual number of galaxies could be even higher than 2 trillion. The role of dark matter. This brings us to another fascinating point: dark matter. Dark matter is an invisible substance that makes up most of the universe's mass. It's the glue holding galaxies together, yet we don't fully understand it. Without dark matter, galaxies as we know them couldn't exist. It's one of the many cosmic puzzles that remind us how much we still have to learn. The future of discovery. And what about the future? Our understanding of galaxies will only grow with time. New telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, are already pushing the boundaries of what we can see. They might uncover galaxies formed in the very first moments of the universe, or reveal details about galaxies that were once invisible to us. The James Webb Telescope is especially designed to peer deeper into the infrared spectrum, allowing it to pierce through dust clouds that once obscured our view. This means we'll soon have clearer images of some of the earliest galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. These observations could answer long-standing questions about how galaxies are born and how they evolve over billions of years. Imagine discovering a galaxy that formed just a few 100 million years after the universe began. It's like opening a time capsule from the dawn of creation. Upcoming projects, and there's more to look forward to. Projects like the Large Synoptic Survey Telescope, or LSST, will survey huge portions of the sky at once. It'll capture dynamic events like galaxy mergers or supernovae in unprecedented detail. Meanwhile, radio telescopes such as the Square Kilometre Array will focus on hydrogen gas, the building blocks of stars and galaxies. They'll help us trace how galaxies gathered their material and grew into the structures we see today. The dynamic universe, but the universe doesn't stand still. Galaxies are constantly in motion, pulled together by gravity and sometimes colliding in cosmic dances. The Milky Way itself is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4 billion years, these two galaxies will merge to form a new, massive galaxy. Such mergers are a natural part of the universe's evolution, shaping galaxies over time. The ever-changing answer: so how many galaxies are there in the universe? The answer isn't fixed. It's a number that evolves as our technology and understanding improve. For now, we know there are at least hundreds of billions, if not trillions. Each one is a testament to the incredible scale and beauty of the cosmos. And remember, what we see today may just be the tip of the iceberg. As technology advances, we'll uncover even more of the universe's secrets. Next time you gaze at the night sky, remember this: what you see is just a fraction of what's out there. The universe is a vast, unending ocean of galaxies, and we're only beginning to explore its depths. Share your thoughts. What do you think lies beyond the observable universe? Could there be infinite galaxies or even other universes? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this journey through the cosmos fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe. The universe is full of wonders, and together, we'll uncover them one mystery at a time.